Okay, I hate this level. Mean. Really mean. If you haven't played this, it might look easy. Or it could look hard. Got first star medal right there. Everything is a risk. Including that one up. But I live on risk. So, get that in. Right here. Best thing to do is jump. Jump, 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 jump. Come back inside. And start on. Your last star medal. Right there. Get that. Be careful. Jump. Be careful. Jump. Jump. And be careful. Do that. Enter the door. Start running. And fail again. Really? Anyway, see you guys next time.